बिलावल से मेरा कुछ ना कुछ अंडरग्राउंड चल रहा है।
I didn't know what it meant to be alone. I didn't know till the day you were gone that I could ever feel this miserable without you here with me.
उससे मेरी हेलो हाय चल रही है।
Time to wait for no one. You gotta say what you want. If you were here with me now, I'd tell you you're the one. 'Cause you're the closest thing to an angel that I ever met.
वो मुझे खुद कहता मैं फैन हूँ तो मैं भी उसका फैन।
You know that you can't be here by my side. I beg you near me when I close my eyes, so I won't let your memory come to an end.
वो मुझे कहता है कि शेख रशीद मैं तेरा फैन हूँ, तू स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट है, मैं ऐसे कहता हूँ मैं तेरा फैन हूँ।